understand what you are saying. When I don't say clothes, they cover many things.
Jam, please forget. And you too, Haiti. If you are talking about someone that doesn't have fears in life, it is me. Yes, I went through a lot. It's because I laugh and I'm this kind of person that don't talk at all.
I beg, what gives you an exclusive right to complain?
Okay. Let me start from here. I grew up in a polygamous family. My father married 3 wives. It was just me and my brother. So it was very, very stressful. I suffered.
See, wait. Make I even ask you people. You where they talk, jam. You where they talk, where they open mouths. You know, hey. You know where they bomb me? You know what my papa they do? You know what my mama they do? My papa na headmaster from our village. My mama na just all this pricey trader. Now 6 siblings I get 6. You call it wait. She mean na your sibling, na siblings you don't get.
Abi.
Your papa you don't get motherly love. Tell me.
You're also forgetting to add the fact that you men always admire you.
Admire. Now mama matter we dey talk so.
I beg forget that thing.
If the kind money where your papa gets, if my papa get half of that money,
And if I would have gotten half, no, let me rephrase it. If I were to have quarter of the admiration you have from or you get from all these your men, see, do you know that my modeling career I would have gone international?
Don't mind that.
Oh God, forget that one. You know why they follow all these men? Now because my papa no get money now. If my papa get money, I don't want to follow them. Not because of money I they follow them.
Don't mind
you better thank your stars.
Leave her alone now.
If I take your shoe like this. Hey.
What are you talking? My parents were always working. They were workaholics. They just gave me money, but they didn't give me love. I practically had to stay by myself alone every day. What are you people saying?
Jam, what else do you want? As long as there's money, I see. This girl.
I just dey pray to go like this. Make God just give me at least 1 week.
I swear.
Make I dey in our shoe.
And now.
Make I dey in our shoe. Because you know now because I dey always happy, I see us. You don't know say I suffer. Make I just stay small in your lifestyle. Make I just stay small in your own lifestyle. You go know inside it. Make God come catch me my own life. Make God give you now. You go see what I talk about.
Hi, Jam. I wish you guys can just be in my shoe for just 1 day. You know what I'm going through. It's not easy. It's not
funny. You people are too funny. I just wish God can put the both of you in my shoes, so you will know that I never felt love in life for 1 day. I beg, all this argument is giving me headache. Good night, though.
Okay, what will come stay here?
I'm going. Good night, though.
Not be the same room with this.
Kimi, if you don't let me beat you. Chak go.
You see these girls, them love to dance, them love to someone pay. And if you give them chance, they go fight you back with karate, yeah. I no go fit to lie for you, trouble day for here. Hope you know, say I no go follow cry for you. Cause it is one man for him, say, waiting they happen, waiting they shell, every day child. Make una come see the housemates of Lagos. Waiting they happen, waiting they shell, every day child. Make una come see the housemates of Lagos. These girls them like the men with the dollar, that kind of man will be baller. But some days they're cool and nice. They feel make you laugh and they feel make you cry. Housemates of Lagos, yeah. The more you see, the less you understand. Housemates of Lagos, You see these girls, them love to dance, them love to someone pay. And if you give them chance, they could fight you back with karate, yeah. You see these girls, them want chop life, them want to someone pay.
Come on, Funke. You just woke up now and the first thing you do is to pick your phone instead of praying.
Oga, mind your business now. Like someone won't kill you.
When did you start using Ogun to curse? Why am I sounding like Jam?
And why am I sounding like you?
And why am I cleaning shoes? I don't do that usually.
But why did I have the sudden urge to call you a fool?
I don't want to talk like Jam Jam. I don't like it.
I don't want to talk like you too. But why do I have the sudden urge of calling a man? Wait. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? If I'm thinking I'm talking like you.
And I am suddenly thinking I'm talking like Jam Jam too.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Jam Jam!
Wetin this one dey talk?
What is happening here?
Abeg, wetin dey happen for here?
Hey, I'm as surprised as you are. I don't like sounding like Jam Jam.
Oga, I hate your accent too. Stop complaining, make we find solution to this. But since I'm sounding like you and you dey sound like Jam Jam suppose dey sound like me now. Wetin dey happen? But e be like say I go call my uncle Femi. He go get better explanation for wetin dey happen for here.
I don't like this accent.
Oga, no let me curse you ogun.
No, what a combination.
You girls have offended Iwelebe and Inu.
Uncle Femi, who is Elegbede? Who is Iwe?
Elegbede and Iwe are the gods that accept prayer and takes it to the Oluwa. The last night they came for your Thanksgiving, they made you guys complain and they granted you your wishes.
Jam, abeg, shut up, jare. No allow God punish you this afternoon.
Funke, why are you so rude? Uncle Femi, what is the solution to this our problem?
The solution to the problem is that Elegbede and Iwe are still coming back. So you guys have to get ready and start your problem.
Thank you. Oh,
Uncle Femi, are you leaving us?
I want to discover then.
Good morning, Funke.
Good morning, Funke. Good morning, Itohan. Wait. Why am I greeting like this? Why am I sounding like this? Funke.
You girls have offended.
Why do I suddenly feel like
Iwelebe
eating
and
pepper
Inu.
soup?
Welcome to the club.
You go soon know. This one way everybody don't date the same page. It be like say we go find solution.
Shebi, Uncle Femi said that we really need to find out the lesson from all this. That means we have to go back to where it all began. Eh?
We dey complain that time, ba?
Benny, we were.
And we're seeing the other person has it better in life than we did.
Benny. I think we're getting somewhere now.
Wait, what if we look deep down into the consciousness we now have and now find out ourselves that the person we are currently carrying their own consciousness has it better in life than others?
Oh, that's very beautiful. You know, you're speaking from my own consciousness. I'm very proud of my consciousness right now.
But babes, how we go about that? What we go do?
You know what? Let us take some time off to truly dig deep down into the consciousness we have with us right now. Then later tonight, we discuss together and decide once and for all if any of us truly have it together than the other.
Jasmine didn't receive so much love from her parents. That's why she seeks for attention at all costs. And for her bossy attitude, she doesn't have any younger siblings to show her respect. So she's always trying to get it at all means, but in the wrong way.
Itohan was abused while she was growing up. She didn't grow up in a right neighborhood, and which affected her choice of words. Itohan was abused sexually while she was a kid and a teenager. It made her suspicious of men's intentions. Even till now, she finds it so hard to trust men.
Funke has suffered so much in life. She never had it easy. She suffered with her mom and she had to fend for herself and her younger brother. That is what changed her perspective about life, her general view of the whole world.
Funke! Funke, wake up! Funke, wake up! Funke!
Funke, wake up! Funke!
Funke! Hey.
Funke!
Funke!
Wake up!
Funke!
Funke, wake up now!
Funke!
Hey God, wake up! Are you okay? Funke!
And when the wind blew, we all fell asleep. And I heard Itohan calling my name.
Hey, babe, you don't dey suspect say you don't dey take Igbo. And if you don't dey take am, I better stop am because it don't dey affect you.
I am serious. It almost felt like it was real.
Funke. So, because we all thought about God exchanging our consciousness the other day, you now fell in the bathroom and had a dream. Or let me call it a trance of God actually interchanging our consciousness. Funke. Now what for you?
Girl, I shall know me. I'm sure saying the truth.
I'm sure saying the truth. I beg you. See, if I were you, I would take Itohan's advice. Stop smoking Igbo. It's not good for you. I beg una good night, Jerry.
I won't sleep. I beg.
Hey, ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá lele.
I won't sleep. Leave me.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá lele.
Oh.
No, oh. What a combination. What a tragedy. You want to give me tension.
Who's there? I'm coming. Oh.
These girls, them love to dance, them love to someone.
Hold on. Uncle Femi. Is this really you?
It's me.
Welcome.
Ojú ẹ̀sìn ìṣojú.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ sir. Ẹ ṣé sir.
Actually, I just came to check on you if your consciousness has been switched back.
What?
Did you really think it was a dream?
Una come see the housemates of Lagos.